Calling all home buyers. I have a new listing here in Troy that's getting ready to hit the market. It's your favorite realtor, TJ Francisco, and I'd love to invite you out to my open houses Saturday the 2nd and Sunday the 3rd between 1 and 3. In the meantime, let's go check it out.
Welcome to 1100 Shallowdale Drive, an updated colonial in one of Troy's most desirable areas. Offered 2,277 square feet, this beautiful home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 2 half baths. Step inside the inviting living room with updated flooring and recessed lighting that flows seamlessly into the formal dining space. Perfect for everyday living or entertaining guests. The true showstopper is the renovated kitchen. You'll love the oversized prep island, new cabinetry, stone countertops, subway-style backsplash, and eat-in dining area. Just off the kitchen is a warm and cozy family room featuring a natural fireplace and butler pantry area for added convenience. The main floor also includes one of the home's 2 half bathrooms. Downstairs, the partially finished basement gives you even more usable living space, complete with a second half bath, ideal for a rec room, gym, office, or entertaining space. Upstairs, new vinyl flooring has been installed throughout the bonus room and all 3 bedrooms. The first full bathroom has been tastefully updated, while the spacious primary offers a walk-in closet and a stunning full renovated ensuite bathroom with a walk-in shower. Step outside and enjoy the large private backyard featuring a maintenance-free Trex deck, perfect for relaxing or hosting summer get-togethers.
Thank you so much for previewing my newest listing here in Troy. Remember, we have open houses Saturday the 2nd and Sunday the 3rd between 1 and 3. If you have any specific questions or want a private viewing, please contact me directly. And as always, we are here to serve you.